where do you think the market's going to go in the next 2-3 years, especially the rental condo market?
I tell you 100%, the market is going very, very strong, and it will continue strong for many reasons. Number one, all the G8 or G7 countries, their deficits are really skyrocketing. Look at the US. They cannot afford to increase interest rates because they won't be able to afford their own debt.
Exactly.
And that's one reason. Number two is the world economy is such that interest rates will remain low now. This will become the normal interest rate. It may go up quarter point, half a point,
right,
maybe 2 or 3 times. But what is it going to make? Quarter point every 2 or 3 times every 6 months. So you're talking about 3/4 of a point. If you have $100,000 mortgage, $750 in a year.
Exactly.
So it's not very much. So this is why it's important. Toronto, Canada, I can tell you 40 years ago, a condo or a house in downtown Toronto you could buy for $14,000. I'm talking about detached, small, 14-foot lot house. Today that is $800,000 to $1 million. Same house.
Exactly.
So real estate values go up, and downtown prices have to go up. And they go because that's where the urbanization is happening. People from 905 are coming and staying in Toronto. The reason being they cannot afford to spend the time on commuting.
Definitely.
3 hours a day, both sides, 1.5 hours. And this is why it's important. That's why condominiums are built in downtown Toronto. And I can tell you the sky is the limit. Still, it's a big city. And 20 years from now, the population of Toronto is going to grow to 9.2, 9.3 million.
Definitely. And the way, like you mentioned, I just want to say something. It's when you buy real estate, people are always about flipping condos and making the quick buck. Instead, what I always tell my clients is keep your real estate, because if you take care of your real estate is going to take care of you. And,
I agree.
And that's what it is. It's not about
real
the quick
estate
buck.
is a hedge against inflation. Real estate is very important to have, and selling and rolling over, buying something bigger. There's nothing wrong with that. I've done it many times, but at the same time, if you look back, sometimes it's better to hold on to that, borrow against it, and then go and buy some more and treasure it and keep it, and then make your inventory bigger, and that way you have a bigger real estate portfolio. It's a lot easier to handle more units than one unit. And because it's almost the same time of effort that you have to put in. If you have the 5 units in one building against one, you go there once and you do 5 units.
I couldn't agree more. Definitely. Thank you very much, sir. It's been a pleasure.
You're very welcome.
And there you go, guys.
Good luck to all of you, and thank you very much.
Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch back later. Thanks.